ta ka ni ka jing ang dot
Kasnong kong thong kadai kawai na ki jaka jungok kai bapau na maha kajala tang bakadon ya ki jaka ba itanat ndre kapasngau tanat banyos ngau ya ki khana jong ka ne kasnong kalong bakadon ya kadustur ha ka baki Briew jong ka ne kasnong hadu menta kidang penne pensa ya kasur jong ka yaube da ka baki juken utsur lani kirwai ha ka baki khot ya ki kerteng Briew te menta ka sngi ka arp nyau terik unai lur arjar arp huai lapli no ya ka pankhana jong ka ne kasnong da u Rakesh Sinha u badai u MP jong ka Raja Sabha uba longru u kongsan ha kaneka program la don ringkat da usurdar jong kasnong kong thong uba akanor majau batru na kinong mikmat u MLA kasora uba kibin melim bat uba tita starwell kain u MDC kasora.
Next time after a month when I would come here, I would speak in Khasi. Whatever have been done, whatever would be done, can be summarized in 4 lines. Kong tha ka dei ka snong Jong gonga. Kong thong ka long kaba paunam baro kiwai ka parthi. Ki berin keling swadong ka Parthei Bad Kiva Naka Ri Jong Nonggi Kakwa Wan Sa Ning Kong Thong Kan Sedei Kasnong Kaban Parvha. One more thing I promise, and on behalf of Divya Rathorji Sispa Talli Lau donate Sneh Sinong Chhatri 100 Chhatris you donate. By next week you will get 100 Chhatri, means every child in this village will get 1 Chhatri. One more thing I have in my mind, the income of every household should go up, should be increased. So we do something for sustainable development, regeneration of income, empowerment of the family. Man ka MI kiva kamai sanwar sibnoi. So 5,000 rupees per month income should be of every household by next 6 to 8 months. You know, when I adopted this village, it is not for any other purpose. The only motive is that each and every inch of this land is Bharat Mata. Each and every child, man and woman, the sons and daughter of Bharat Mata. Kong Thong may be at the border of India. 3 years ago, Kong Thong was not known to the people of Meghalaya. Political leadership, administration. Now Kong Thong is known not only Meghalaya, India, but entire world. People all over the world looking at you. They want to come Kong Thong. So Kong Thong is emerging as cultural capital of Meghalaya. Political capital is Shillong and cultural capital is Kong Thong. You will not be surprised in future great film stars and actresses would come Kong Thong for shooting of films. So our ambition is sky is the limit. Kong Thong should emerge in the country as an ideal village, not only in terms of good buildings. People of Kong Thong are part of nature. As the nature is natural, so here people are also natural. So I have three more things to say about Kong Thong. Good schools, good roads, high income, this is one part. There should not be any litigation between the people. All litigations in Kong Thong should end. We will make our social life exemplary to the entire world that Kong Thong is free from litigations. No feud between the people. This is second one. Third is very important. You possess some characteristic, distinct characteristic, which world was unknown. Kosko village of Turkey was part of intangible cultural heritage of UNESCO, and Kong Thong was not known. When I raised this issue in the Rajya Sabha in 2009, early 2019, entire house was in support of my demand. Until this date, I took the name of Kong Thong in various sense, in various contexts, 9 times in the Rajya Sabha. No village of India was mentioned in House, either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, since 2000, since the last 20 years or 30 years, 9 times. This is the only village which has appeared 9 times, either in the form of questions or debates or speeches. So Kong Thong is a household name. My connection with Kong Thong is not an outsider. I may not purchase land. I don't need to purchase the land because every house is my house. Every woman is my sister. Every gent is my brother. Every elder is my father and mother. So my relationship is with Kong Thong, not as a member of parliament, but as a social activist. And it will end only after my death. Till my entire life, last breath, I am now organically connected with Kong Thong. Kong Thong is the first word in my life. I am happy that when Kong Thong came as a proposal, the best tourism village before the United Nations World Tourism Organization, I got a call from Rothel, most dynamic person, very enthusiastic, committed to the social cause, selfless service, all 24 hours working for the people. Rothel called me, the issue raised, kindly do something. I said I would do, but I had not done anything. I wanted to test myself in Kong Thong. If I would have approached the minister, approached the administration, then Kong Thong would have been selected as the best tourism village, then I would have been unsatisfied. Because people might not be knowing, but I was knowing that I did something. And it was based on approach, based on networking. So I always promised I am doing, but I had not done. I wanted to test whether Kong Thong is selected in own way or it needs some help. And Kong Thong was selected as the best tourism village. It was proposed before the United Nations. So I thank Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji who is the one Prime Minister who thinks about the remotest village, most marginalized people, and his primary concern is people. No difference of caste, religion, community, regions. We Indians are one. Development of Kongthong is development of Kahalgaon. Development of Kahalgaon is development of Kongthong. Anyone who makes a distinction on the basis of religion, caste, community, region is not a modern person. He is not a pro-people person. He is anti-people. He is anti-nation. Dividing the society is the biggest crime. Whatever religion you follow is the religion of God. Whatever tradition you follow, the tradition of people. Whatever legacy you cherish is the legacy of the history. So why should we disturb each other? So diversity is the core idea which we follow. Without diversity, India cannot survive. Idea of India is based on only two things. One, diversity. Other, contestation. There is no final truth. Not the only way. Everything is contestable. We haven't critically examined the religion, critically examined the tradition. That's why we develop, we evolve, we progress. That's why India is now being accepted. Indian tradition, Indian family life, Indian community life is being accepted all over the world. I am also happy that when Kongthong was declared best tourism village by the government of India, our Chief Minister Konark Sangma ji first tweeted it. I was not surprised because his link with Kongthong is emotional link, not merely as a Chief Minister. Whenever he comes to Delhi, he speaks about Kongthong. Whenever he meets me, he discusses Kongthong. And whenever I go with any proposal, he happily accepts. So I really, on behalf of you and myself, is very obliged to the Chief Minister. You know, when Kongthong was declared best tourism village, our Finance Minister, Union Finance Minister, respected Nirmala Sitharaman ji tweeted. More than dozens of cabinet ministers of Modi ji government tweeted about the Kongthong. So Union Minister of India wants to know what is Kongthong, what is your characteristics. So we have to do something so that their expectations, we should be more than their expectations.
Balong Sardar Jonggarai Kongthong Bat Kiwe Kire Rang Bat Kiwedan Rekat Hagani Kapor Bat Kamtam Ya U Kongsan Jungi Hagani Kastep Professor Rakesh Sinha. At the very outset, sir, I would like to extend my warm welcome to you once again to this beautiful village for spending your valuable time to visit once again to this village. I remember 8 months back we have been here together and you came along with your package for doing so many development works for this particular village, which in a very short span of time, this promise under your leadership has already completed. I would like to congratulate you once again, sir, for your open heart, for your love and affection for this particular village. It's you, sir, who has raised the name of Kong Thong village in the map of the world. I still remember when you always stand in the parliament, you always spoke about Kong Thong village. I am proud today that recently Kong Thong village was declared as one of the tourism village in India. This has happened just because you are the only one who accomplished this mission. I once again thank you that even today you came here to start with a new project for construction of a new welcome gate or an entrance gate to this beautiful village. I do hope, sir, that we will continue and you will continue to bless and extend your good wishes to this particular village. I would like to inform you that just after you had last visited this village, myself and along with the elders of this adjoining areas, along with the elders, really see this matter to speed up, because it is the will and the wish of the people to see more road connectivity in this area. Namaru slap tang si kentien chua bangan syong no ngalaya tu yau MP badan buram jungi baka jingkwa jong kipat ba nalor ka bu lale ha kani ka snong ka jungi bakwa banyoi ya ka jing penyaso daki surok ya kini ki snong ki badan marjan jong kani ka than ka jungi syado mau mang mau soman seder bat warba ngalaya tu yau MP badan buram bahadin ka jing wan yu kejat hang ni bat ha ka jing kendo ka jungi bat kirang ba snong ngila ai ka jing tho nriu banai man chua shau deputy chief minister ba pek ya ka pidudi ba ka jing don kam jong ka ni ka surok bat na ka liang deputy chief minister ula dep ai da ka jing tho shau engineer ban pha sorbin o ya ka ni ka surok Henry ka balungo kalong bahadu menta ompat sya ompala ban sorbe ka ni ka surok tengah kerpat yu MP badan buram rengkat ka jige trelang bat kirang ba snong jong ka ni ka thang rengkat bau MLA badan buram jungi bat sobha ban pet bakan ni ka jing sorbe ka ni ka surok kan urlong no namar ka di ka jing angnut jong upat ba bat menin ngalaya keren bat MP badan buram ngalai kuble i namai lale sibun ki kamang ne snong laong yang bangin sia kenduk mentaka sengi hang ni long apet wat numuan tuli mo hidai banuan rai so yesterday you remind me not to came here with empty hand. You should come along with something. Ngalaong you MP, sure sir. Ong hoi, sisa. Ngade utrai no mi khamat. Ngidon lang ka jingkit klik na kabanta ka ni ka sinong. Ngala ai ka jikular you MP ngong ba. Katip hilale kan long ke jingle ran yang kum nong mai khmat ladang ro ngam le lang kata ada ke jing slow ke jonga hoi ngilai le ngila persang kat to kat ni Henry 8 pau na kaliang jong MP na marba yong ba mentala declare ke ni kum ka we ni kisnong ki ba pau na ma ka kam jngok kai yong ba ka jing dan kam ha ka ni ka snong kalong ni dan kam ya ki street light na kaliang ke jonga ngala ai kularu MP ba ha ka bayadai ba kini ki street light ha ka ni ka snong baro ka we bat ha ki road snong jong ka ni ka snong ngan sa ai na kaliang ke jonga kumu MDC. So I have already made an announcement, as I have told you last night, that from my scheme I will sanction immediately for provide solar street light for the whole of village of this Kongtong. Hakabede iru ban penkentiu susu ya kaliang jong tourism ngalada biak keren bos katri jong ke society ban ngaso ban ai kuble kerpang ya kani ke society namar dei ke jingdan jong kani ke society kabalalong kawei na kilat lenti ba kitores kiyo banwan hakani ke snong ke jongi lada kiwan kitores hae kinsa so ban ai kuble ke society ke badannya katai ke jakasa hangtai tena kalian ke junga ngalaya keren bat unang penya jong ni society bangan saya rap susu ya kani ke society kum ka jing peni tenat kum ka giet bat kiwe ki jakasa bat kum ta terter kenang bakan ya rap susu ya ki turis ki bawan ha kani ke snong ke jungi
Kentu jor ban penrung ya ka jingwai yaube hapo ka list jong UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage. Hoingi so komen shibun banagaliang ka jong uru ula adopt ya kani kashnong kongthong ka jong phi baladon ya ki jingthmu ki babon ban kentiu ya kani kashnong ka bai ki jong phi baragas ni ka si ka bomenta ka jingple ka jongi kapangin sa play ya kani ka public toilet da ukong san jongi baraga ju upor ka welcome gate ka ba henne milade bani yang hangte kade kiwe na ki project ki bana ka leng ka jong u udon ban kintio ya kani kashnong ka ba I ka champi hoi kade da shisha kumra pensngau na ka leng jong EMDC jong ka sara constituency balong ru ECM jong ka KHDC hagabaide barkane ka thain khar alsnong area hi jongi baro kawe niladak milimti palat khamtam hagabaide barkalenti sengkien kapabian hadu ini sengi gipor bamenda Nirangdan sakumba laipau tadi kisnong hapo ka thain khar alsnong barokoi kibampaddan yakalenti singkien kapabian hoy nagalyang jong sarkar jilla ka sarkar MDA ka persang banwat kilar kalenti ban penbit penbiang nagabenta ka jingmentoy jong kipajba khamtam hagbaide barkalenti singkien Henry kamne kabasuk namarngi sauthu baka jingdawa ka jingpenso nagaliang jong kipajba keleng saudong kidan penso perkidan ka hok ro penso namar bangi sauthu hi baka lenti singkien si sen blapoi ka lenti singkien pharnai kensan ka snong ka thau bar khamtam kanno ka yarap ya kipajba hagi pol jong ka pangka shitam bar kumju ha kaban kintiu ya kayo kakon jong kipaiba jong kathan ka jonghi rengi sotho basisle kamne ka basuk nagaliang ka jong sarkar snong hapo snong kongthong dan kam balat ya ka jinge tali ka jongphi Amar ngi so thu a jingya lenti ke jongi hang ni asrap perfect. Om don u bobit bobiang. Hisien barang de Briew don bet ki jimbakla hang ni hang te. Henry kan bah shibun bangin kelet no ya kita ke baro hoi kan long ka jingsneng banginum beteng shu ya kita ki jimbakla. Henry ka badan kam kalong ba ka bangin le nang ni shakmat nang bangin wanra ya ka jingi teli hapo snong hapo ta ngakin tu ya phi kong kinong song snong dan kam palat bankup ya ka jing soret ya teli mlon kat ni nagaleng ka jong phi phlai ai 3 minut kong kinong song snong kat no kala long ka jing so sarong bapilai yo ya ka ni ka jing itu om tang namenta om tang naga state ka jongi la ne ka jela ka jongi hende ka jing itu abangi pe ya ka jingwan ki torus ya ka ne ka thain ka jongi pau shai kada baka ne ka thain khar al snong ka jongi par kumjo ka snong kong thong ka jong phi ka de ka snong ka ba pau om tang ha ka ne ka jela ka jongi henry hakari bat keleng saudong ka pertai nagalang ka jonga nga shem ka ne kalat ban kitu jor ya phi we pi we kop ya ka jing sodet ya trei rengkat ya teli mlan namar ni anglut ya ka lawai ka pernai naga benta ikun kikti ki jongi mani ken mau bagai ke bagai dia hagani ka por bomenta la dangim don ka jing teli ngangel scam bakam kita tang naga benta kani ka por ka bomenta henry kan kita ru naga benta kalawai cepi khon kikiti ki jongi ya shem ya kene kalat ya kene kabu baphinia tali no nang ni shakmat ya ginu ki jingduna ngin nagalyang ka jong phi phinia pen iwe bat phinia tali mlon nang baka burom kalnong naga benta kasnong kabai ka jong